everyone, it's Maya from Kitten Around, and this is my brother Shay. And today we are opening LOL Surprise Boys. It took us forever to find them.
Yes.
Like, we looked everywhere, but we finally found them.
Yeah.
Anyways, let's just get the unboxing. I have been waiting forever to unbox these. Have you opened it? Yeah. This is like Shay's second time unboxing stuff. It is...
Yeah, it's off.
Show it. Here, this is the secret message, and I want to see what mine is. Mine is mic drop. Ooh, interesting.
I know the one I got. Let me out. I know. Huh? I think I don't know if one there.
What is this? Shoe, one shoe.
I'll show you guys up close.
Is this a boy? I don't open the boy yet. Just try to open the rest of this stuff. Open that. Open those. And wait behind me because
I did! No fair! So I got the boy unboxed. This is him, my brother. Got my favorite one, but I like him. There's the toque.
So my brother found the clothes. He got my favorite one.
So we got So we got them all dressed. They look so cool. This is what are you doing? But I really like mine. Zoe and my brother switched because I really like his. And I have the sister of him, so it is kind of cool. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to subscribe and leave a like down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye-bye.